Hello everyone and welcome to my electronics channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about the Wi-Fi capability or the integrated wireless network capability of an ESP32 microcontroller and how we can use it to connect to a list of available wireless networks at my home, and we're able to list them down and then see what are the available wireless networks. So as you know, ESP32 is a widely versatile kind of a microcontroller which has lots of power packed capabilities like integrated Wi-Fi, Bluetooth low energy, then SD card module connectivity, the camera module connectivity, then the capability of connecting to the GSM 900 SIM cards for sending text messages, and it is one of the most widely used uh, in various IoT projects for demonstration of Internet of Things technology, and hence it is one of the most uh, preferred microcontroller among students, hobbyists, as well as engineers. So as you see over here, this is a typical pin configuration of the ESP32, and in this case I am using a Dev Kit module V2. So this is the pin configuration of the V2 module. So it has roughly 38 pins, out of which we have 34 general purpose IO pins, which is capable of digital as well as PWM, like input and output terminals. So it has 3 ground terminals, and it has one 5-volt input, which you can provide via any external DC battery source, as well as a 3.3 volt power input. Apart from the general purpose IO pins, it has a lot of ADC pins, or like analog to digital converters. It has highly capacitive touch sensitive pins, with the help of which you can wake up an ESP32 microcontroller from sleep. So it has real time the clock as well. So it has capability of SD card IO. So various pins like D0, D1, command, as well as clock, and D2 and D3 are used for the SD card communications. So it has SPI pins as well, the serial to peripheral interfaces. Then it has the transmission and the reception, that is RX and TX pin at various levels. There are other touch sensitive pins as well towards the other side. So this is quite versatile, and in today's the video we will be trying to list down all the available networks by connecting to, or by leveraging the Wi-Fi capabilities of this ESP32. So this is the Arduino program. So the way I have configured it is I have used the board ESP32 Dev module, which you can find under the ESP32 Arduino submenu option over here, and at the same time you can also download it from the boards manager, and it shows a list of all the parameters like the upload speed, the CPU frequency, the operating frequency of the ESP32, the flash size, then various the debug levels, and we are using the virtual uh, COM port, which is COM5, to connect to the actual device. Okay, so I have already connected this ESP32 device with the help of uh, an USB cable, and it has got mapped to the COM5 virtual port. So any programs which I run over uh, which I run in this Arduino ID will be able to communicate to and upload the program into the virtual COM5 port. So let's talk about the program. So it's called ESP32 Wi-Fi scan. So I have included the Wi-Fi header file so that I can use the Wi-Fi shield library functions and the API. Inside my setup program, so I will be using the Wi-Fi to the station mode. Okay, so this is the way I'm setting the Wi-Fi to the station mode, and I'm disconnecting with any other access point mode if it was previously connected. So this is being done to set up it, and I'm also setting the serial baud rate. Inside the loop method of my sketch program, what I will do is I'll scan all the available networks by calling the method wi-fi.scan_networks. So what it does is it enumerates the list of all the wireless network available uh, in my home by communicating directly with the wireless router. So it's more like the moment I turn on the Wi-Fi over here in my laptop, it lists down all uh, the available wireless networks, and I can select which one to connect to by providing the suitable username and the password, which is, so this name is the SSID, and we can also provide the username and the password against it. So it will print the scanning start, and then the number of networks found over here, it will be showing it over there. And in the serial monitor, we will be like turning on the serial monitor very soon once I run the program. So it will just list down all the found networks, and at the same time it will like loop through all these networks, and it will print the SSID, which is the logical name of the network, and the RSSI, which is uh, the the value for that particular network. Okay, so let's see what it does, and then it will do a 5-second wait before it does the scanning once again. So let's see what it does when we upload the code. Okay, so I've clicked on this upload button and it has started to compile the sketch. So once the compiling is complete, it starts to link it all together. So as you can see here, it has the compiling is done. It is connected to the COM5, and it is uh, writing the commands into the program. Okay, so the moment I turn on the serial monitor, okay, I will be able to see the scanning has started. So total of 6 networks have been found, and here are the logical names. So after an interval of like 5 seconds, the scanning is repeated once again. Okay, so it has like listed down like all the wireless network it is able to find. So the Wi-Fi module is working, and it is like listing down all the logical names or the SSIDs of the network, so along with the values of it. So this is one of the demonstrations of the Wi-Fi capability of ESP32. And in the further programs, we will be connecting to one of these available the networks, and then we can run all our IoT projects by connecting to the wireless networks. Okay. So I hope this video was useful. So if you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching.